let's talk commodities. Manisha is with us. Manisha.
Thank you so much for that. I'm looking at the gold prices today, which are trading at around 1 month lows. We have seen 3 weeks of constant decline coming in for the gold prices. And the weakness comes in on the back of strength in US dollar, which has seen an uptrend for the last 4 weeks. You also have seen strong treasury yields. The markets also are dealing with high inflation numbers that we saw come in from US, and all of that is weighing onto the markets. I want to tell you on what we've done on a week-on-week and a month-on-month basis. So in the last 1 week, the gold prices have declined by nearly 1.5%, while silver prices fell by 2.5% in the same time. In the last 1 month as well, both the commodities have posted negative returns, with gold down 2.5% and silver down 10% as well. And now when you look at the volatility that we have seen in case of gold prices for the year, we started this year with 1823. We did see 1810 of a low by the month of Feb, and then we saw a high of 2051 by the month of May, and currently trading at 1910, with the street anticipating if we continue to see higher inflation, another rate hike from US, then you perhaps are looking at 1900 breaching on the lower side as well. So while the returns in the very near term may not have done well for you, but the markets definitely seem to be buying into these declines. For the first half of this year, we've seen global central banks go on a rampage. This is the highest record ever in the first half of an year that you have seen this kind of a buying come in from central banks at around nearly 357 tons. Last year was a record buying as well at 1136 tons by the global central banks. So whether it has been about Russia, China, Turkey, Kazakhstan, many European countries, even India for that matter, we have seen our buying increase as well. And as of now, our gold reserves hold 8.17% of its total at 797 tons. So India has been buying gold as well. And you look at the gold ETF buying within India, and June and July have been very strong months. It has been net flows of inflows of around 456 crores as compared to 70 crores last month. So on a month-on-month basis, we have seen a very strong jump, and this is only because the gold prices have corrected slightly on the weaker side there. But this is going to be a data-heavy week yet again. In this week itself, we are looking from industrial production, retail sales to housing numbers coming in from China and from US as well. You will be watching out for the retail sales numbers. It also is going to be about the US Fed minutes this week as well, and that's what will give further cues for the market.
All right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that is the commodity picture.